Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can clone Viewpoint Survey. And this is another way of how you can clone any app. You can have like multiple app on your phone. If you are using Android, just download. If you are using Android, download this app, this clone app. So this work on how you can clone many app. You can see I've cloned one Viewpoint here. So with this you can clone any app, but on this particular app, before you clone another one, you need to subscribe. So if I open this Viewpoint now, you see this is how to clone, and you can have like 20 WhatsApp accounts on this particular one. You can have many double app on your phone, and it's going to work as the normal app. So once I don't know why this one is taking long. So you can see I have one Viewpoint here, but unfortunately I was not eligible on this account because I've been opening this account for the past 3 days now, no tax. That means that this account is not eligible. So let me show you another one that you can download, which is free. You don't need to subscribe. This DualSpace, that's what I've been using. This now is more than 2 years, which I'm using it to clone many apps. You can see how many Telegram I have here. You can see I have many Telegram, then I have many. So in this place you can clone any app. So currently I've already cloned like two Viewpoint app. You can see I have one here, I have 2 here. So I will add, and if you want to add another one, I can add it. I can have like 20 accounts here. Let me click on the plus sign. Then I'm going to scroll up. Then you pick any app that you want to clone, that you want to have double of it in your account. You can see then you click on clone. You see now it's now 3. So let me open the first one for you. So you can see on this particular one, I actually have tax. You can see I even have more tax. I even have more tax on it. Then I already do one tax before. I have 35 points. Now I have many tax, and this is not my main account. So I have my main account in my on my iPhone, which I've been receiving. I've withdrawn like 2 times. So this is the one this is number 1. So let me go back and see if I have tax in second app. I'm clicking the second one now. Let's see. Unfortunately, this second one is not eligible. So this is how you keep on doing it. See, you see the one that is eligible. So the third one I just add now. So I will click on the third one now. Then I'm going to use another number to register. So this is how to clone. You keep on doing it till you see like 3 to 4 accounts. So now I'm going to click on continue. I hope this. So now if yours is like this, that does not mean that you are not going to get tax. Okay, you just have to leave it like 2 days, because the other one that I have tax on it. So the other one I have tax on it took me 3 days before tax show on it. So now I'm going to add another account. Then I'm going to use another number. Let's see, we have one this time. So this is another Viewpoint. That means I have 4. So for those of you that are also doing WhatsApp updates, you can add like 500 WhatsApp. Then you can be using it to refer yourself. So because there's one WhatsApp update now that is paying. If you have multiple number, you can actually add it here and refer yourself. So the fourth, I just add this fourth one. So I'm going to add number. Then I'm going to use number as verification. Let's see if I'm going to get something now. But now I'm going to use my Nigerian number to do this one. So I want to use my Nigerian number. Let's see if this one will go. So I'll show you that second method. 68. So let's go there. I pray this one also have tax. Well, I think I've used this number to register before. You not even bring out the option. So this is basically on how to clone your Viewpoint. So you can keep on trying till you have the one that have tax. Like this one now, Then I'm going to make another video on how you can do your task. The instruction is even there. The instruction is even there. It's not something. So you can see I have many tasks on this one. So this will be the end of the video. If you know that you have value, you got value from this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anything I drop useful update like this, you'll be the first person to be alert. So see you in the next video. Thank you.